morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to review the Dettol hand sanitizer that kills 99% bacteria. Let's go. Okay. So this is the Dettol hand sanitizer from Dettol. And you know, now with all the viruses, the infection, the cocoa virus going around, I will highly recommend using this hand sanitizer. As you can see, it kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. This one will help you with the fight against the cocoa virus. A lot of people are dying, unfortunately, with the cocoa virus, so you do not want to be one of the numbers. If you can't wear the gloves like me, then make sure you carry this in your handbag, in your purse, in your socks, in your belt, in your trouser pocket, in your hat, anywhere you can find space. Make sure you carry this. As you can see, unfortunately, I had an accident and I cut my gloves. I will show you how to use this one. So what you do is take a little bit of this hand sanitizer. You just need a little bit. And then you want to rub it in the infected area. There we go. Now you can see I am new. I am brand new Mercedes. No virus or infection or cocoa virus is going to affect me now. I am new Ferrari. Okay, I will highly recommend this one if you can find it. I do not know if they sell it in Zimbabwe, Uganda. You're going to have to Google that one to see if they have it, but you know, in all seriousness, this one will help you. Make sure you use it, you know, if you are traveling, if you are going to the airport, if you are flying, if you are taking a boat. I will highly recommend this one. It is a good hand sanitizer. You can get it from Amazon. That is where I got it from. One packet is £2, I believe. Do not quote me on that one. As always, guys, keep safe out there. Make sure you stay home if you are in the lockdown. And as always, Bali.